Yeah, what's up?
What are you doing?
I'm getting ready to film some prep work for the 240Y.
Bring the 240 to my house. I'll pull the motor.
Wait, the what?
Bring the 240 to my house.
Today?
I'll pull the motor.
Alright, so you want to do that today then? Alright, well, give me a little bit. I did not expect this. Alright, man.
Well,
Bye.
alright, come on.
Bye. What's up, everyone? How's everyone doing today? So today, obviously you heard earlier that Anthony was gonna pull the motor of said 240, but finally shows up an hour and a half later with the jump box. Obviously it got super cold and the battery died, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start it. All right, let's try this. Nothing. We're gonna let her charge for just a minute.
Jump box is good. 13 volts. Battery 11.
Oh. She's getting there. Okay, I see. God. Oh. It's all you need. Just a good old technician touch, a little TT action, huh?
It's coming out. Coming out. Gotta go.
So we got the car running. I'm gonna let it idle for a little bit. Then we're gonna hit up some food, stop by the vape shop real quick, and head over to Anthony's to get this shitty motor out of the car. But yeah, see you guys in a little bit. All right, so we are now back at Anthony's. We're gonna clean up the space in the garage a little bit, you know, get to work yanking that healthy ass motor. But in the meantime, what do we have over here? What do we have over here? We got some 240SX pistons for sale if anybody's looking. right, so step one to removing a motor. Anthony, it's gonna be what, 2-3 hours? Let's set a time. What do you think? Can Anthony pull a motor?
If it's gonna be timed, then it's gonna be like a shit show. I just grip it.
You know what, we're gonna change the title of this real quick. We're gonna say fastest time 240SX removal. But if there's anything hindering us from it coming out, it's gonna get cut off. So there we go. So what do you think?
I've never worked on this car before.
I know this is the first time for you, so I'm gonna get the clock out real quick and see what we got. Hang on. Yeah, 11:31, January 20th, bro. How fast can you get a motor out of a car you've never touched? 3 hours? 4 hours? What are we doing?
3.5.
3.5. All right, we're going 3.5. You heard it here. How fast can you pull an LS?
An hour.
Oh yeah. So you shouldn't have draining the car.
Find all the tins and take them off.
Let's just start the pile over there.
Engine removal prep for the 2J.
Yeah. So obviously, guys, there's gonna be a lot of just like useless shit in this video of just removing small nuts and bolts and screws and shit. So I'm gonna get back with you guys in a little while. And as Anthony just said, this is gonna be step one to removing a 240SX motor and getting it ready for a 2JZ swap. Be patient, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned. Turn it up. Good old power steering pump. So I'm gonna ask you guys this. I'm gonna ask Anthony this too. What was the first motor swap you've ever done? First motor swap you ever helped with or did, whatever. First motor swap you ever did.
H22 into a CB7.
Really? Wait, what's in the CB7 to begin with?
F22 and 20.
So like the VTEC single one?
Yes.
Like, I don't speak on it either. Yeah, so put in the comments below, right here, right now, if you got this far, what was the first motor swap you guys ever participated in or contributed to, or was yours actually? And then put your favorite motor swap next to it.
God, I hate using these things.
So when the saw wheel won't work, you gotta upgrade your cutters. Did they go through though?
Yeah.
Nice. You guys know what time it is. You guys know what time it is. Things up. Yeah. Got him. Ant had to get all tech on us. We had to get the repair order real quick. Remove motor, install 2JZ. So, I forgot what we're doing here. How to install a 2JZ motor. LS1. Hashtag. Wow. Haven't seen this guy in what, 3 years, man? Huh? Give me some knuckles.
Beer guy.
Yeah. And for those of you that don't know, that's Jake Nichols, aka Swolbraham Lincoln.
Shit.
Alright, well, small intermission real quick while Anthony gets refreshed, and we'll watch him get back to it, so stay tuned.
Oh, so much tranny fluid too.
Nice.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
That little bit of an angle, just like.
It's bleeding.
Oh,
I hear it.
Yeah, now we got a bunch of other fluid too.
Fucking Jake, man.
That's just like splashing on this shit.
What? It's like a river.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Alright, we got one.
No, I meant behind you. Look at the mess behind you. Oh, okay.
We're gonna hose the floor out.
Okay. What up, Bobby? What up, Matt?
I mean, what time is it?
You are. Exactly. It's 3:30. Well, you said 3.5 hours, right?
Yeah.
You said it at 11:35, and it's 3:30. So I don't know what the math of that is. Tree wins that he doesn't see safety goggles or gloves. You mean bitch mittens?
Or non-slip shoes.
You don't see any bitch mittens around here, boy, because we got dirty. Okay, he's got dirty hands around here.
Pizza! Pizza!
Oh, it's here. Hang on. Gotta go.
I was like, what's up, dude?
He probably buys vape from him.
Probably. I wonder what the chances of this are. Pushing the car back. Hold on, hold on. Wait. We're gonna get in there.
He needs some milk.
Push it back. Nope. Alright, hold on. How the fuck did it get there?
Alright. Where do you guys want?
One of the fucking brackets.
Yeah, hang on.
There's like brackets and shit.
No, there's nothing.
It's on your fucking hammer.
Yep.
Alright, what about if we can pass the motor to the side?
God, y'all are so strong and I'm not. Yo, get big. What's leg day? Hell yeah.
Yeah, and then I have.
That's dedication, bro. That's how you can be right there. So, I'm glad I could help. So I got a little dirt, you know, right there from like moving something.
Been here like 20 minutes.
She is out. All right, well, we'll catch back up with you guys in a little bit. We're gonna grab some food and then go over what is now missing. All right, everybody. Well, Anthony finally finished up the job. Thanks, Jake, for coming and drop off some beer. And I guess now it's just uphill from here. We have to get the 2J ready. This is kind of what the next step we needed was to get this thing out. Like I said, it's still for sale if somebody wants to come look at it or check it out. The 2J, I hope I want to get it in before like it starts getting warm. It's really just it's all on me now. Anthony did his job. Now I have to just get the money together and to do the small things that we wanted to do. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, peace. Now you see it, and now you don't.